Welcome Primary 5, Miss Hiba Ahmed is with you. Today we will take lesson 2 from Unit 3, Types of the Soil, and we will take Part 1. We will take Part 1. Okay, Primary 5. At the first, we must know that we have different types of soil. Okay, but in this lesson, we will study that these three types of soil, sand soil, silt soil, and clay soil. Sand, silt, and clay. Let's start with the sand. The sand is a soil that composed mainly of sand particles. So we named it by sand soil because it composed mainly of sand particles. And a small amount, and it composed also of a small amount of clay and silt, and rarely contained humus. And we all know what is the humus from lesson number 1 in this unit. Okay, what are the properties of the sand soil? Number 1, its color is yellow. Number 2, the size of its particles is large. The granules of the sand soil, the particles of the sand soil, its size is large. It's weakly compacted or loose. Its particles are not together. There is a large space between every particle in the sand soil, so it loose and weakly compacted. It's not compacted. The particles are not stuck to each other. There is a space between them, so it's loose or weakly compacted. Number 4, it will aerated soil that has low absorption of water. Will aerated soil, that meaning that there is a fine amount of air inside it. Number 5, it has the fastest and the greatest drainage of water. Number 6, its fertility is low because it contains rarely humus. The reason for the sand soil is called by this name because it it composed mainly of sand particles. Number 2, the the sand soil is well aerated because it's weakly compacted or loose. Number 3, sand soil it's less in fertility. Why? Because it contains a rarely amount of humus. So we finished the sand. Now we will take the silt. The silt is a soil that composed of a mixture of equal amounts of gravel, sand, clay, and silt, but it contains more humus. Its properties: its color is gray, its size of the particle is medium, but the sand was large, it's medium compacted, but the sand was loose, it's medium aerated, but the sand was very good aerated soil, and it's medium also in absorption of the water, and it has a medium drainage of water, and it has a high fertility. Why? Because it contains a large amount of what? Of humus. Let's know the questions of the give reason on this part. Number 1, silt has high fertility because it contains more humus. Number 2, silt soil has a gray color. Why? Because it contains also more humus. We finished this part of this lesson. Thank you for listening. Primary 5, Miss Hiba Ahmed was with you.